Are you sitting in a chair right now? I mean, maybe not this chair. This is a very small chair. This could be for Smurfs or someone. I don't know. All right. Oh gosh. But guys, if you're sitting in a chair right now at your office or at home or whatever it is, and you're waiting to do something, you're bored because COVID has made everyone freaking bored, okay? We can't do anything. We can't go out. We can't go party. We literally can't do anything, okay? So you're sitting at home, you're bored. And now I understand that, but what can you do with your time of you sitting there on your computer doing nothing that can benefit you? Now, I want to just give you a little history real quick on the year of 2020. It sucks, okay? COVID's here. I don't know if you know. It's a real thing. It's like going around. People are dying. All right, it's happening, okay? 2020 has been terrible for a lot of people. Business-wise, people have lost their jobs. Company has gone out of business. People have getting paid less money. People are getting less hours. Whatever it is, guys, everyone is affected by 2020. I don't care who you are, all right? Now, if being affected, now sometimes that's not a bad thing, okay? Affected could be positive, and now the one positive person, or the one thing that has happened positively to someone is Jeff Bezos, all right? Jeff Bezos has made a lot of money in 2020. Amazon.com has skyrocketed because people are buying products online consistently because no one wants to go outside, okay? Now, you're sitting at home on your computer right now, just looking at YouTube, you're looking somewhere on Facebook, whatever it is, you're doing something on your computer. But what if I told you right now, if you click the link below, that you can start learning about starting a business, okay? The breadcrumbs of Amazon.com, okay? You can actually sell on Amazon. 55% of the things sold on Amazon are done by people like you and me, okay? Things are sold on Amazon by regular people around the world, and I was able during 2020 to sell things to people 2,000 miles away, 1,000 miles away, 500 miles away, 50 feet away if they're shopping on Amazon, whatever it is, guys. I was able to sell things consistently through 2020 that was giving me a safety net of money so I didn't have to worry like a lot of other people, okay? Now, I'm not trying to sound cocky. I'm not trying to sound like I'm better than anyone. I just want to say that I had the opportunity to start an Amazon business, and during the year of 2020, I was able to still make money monthly from Amazon. Now, all I want to say, guys, is that 2021 is your time. It's your time to change your life. It's your time to help the people around you. It's your time to change everything that's going on right now because you can make money at home from Amazon. So click the link below. Go learn about the training that we have about Amazon. It's completely free. You just go watch it, okay? Just go watch it. If you don't like it, don't worry about it. That's cool. That's for you. That's completely fine. But I know that there's someone right now sitting at their desk looking for the next steps. And this is it, guys. Click the link below. I'll see you there.